Hello everyone. Today we will talk about production of vitamin B12. So let's begin with introduction of vitamin. Vitamins are micronutrients that are essential for the metabolism of all living organisms. Vitamins are organic compounds that are essential in the diet in small amounts to promote and regulate body functions which are necessary for growth, reproduction, and the maintenance of the health. Vitamins are essential for the normal growth and development of a multicellular organism. In 1912, Casimir Funk, a Polish biochemist, coined the term vitamin. Casimir Funk originally used the term vitamine. Today we know that these vitamins are vital to life, but they are not all amines. So the E has been dropped and the term is called as vitamin. Humans are incapable of synthesizing most vitamins. Nomenclature and classification. So vitamins are basically classified in two types: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins, it include vitamin A, D, E and K. And water soluble vitamins are vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12 and vitamin C. Now we'll talk about particularly vitamin B12. It is also known as cobalamin. In a complex biochemical structure but is water soluble. One of the most alluring and fascinating molecule in the world of science and medicine is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is unique among the vitamins in being synthesized almost exclusively in microorganisms. In 1912, Minot and Morphy demonstrated that they were able to cure anemia, a disorder first described in 1835. Then after that, different discoveries were done. Like in 1958, Barker et al. Discovered and crystallized the first biological active coenzyme forms of vitamin B12. In 19 in the same year 1958, Smith and co-workers produced 14C enriched methylcobalamin organisms for the production of vitamin B12. All these can be used for the production of B112. There are so many. These just are some: Lactobacillus aeraveinus, Mycobacterium phyli, Streptomyces trigenius, Streptomyces olivaceus, Corynebacterium species, Flavobacterium species, Salmonella species. Now we will talk about particularly production of vitamin B12. The production of vitamin B12 is mainly to overcome the deficiency. The industrial production of vitamin B12 mainly consists of fermentation. Mainly fermentation is the process which is used for the industrial production. The fermentation process can be done by numerous microorganisms because of their growth and their high yield productivity. Different strains can be used like propionibacteria and pseudomonas were selected for industrial purpose. Steps involved in the production of vitamin B112. Now, first step is formulation of medium, then sterilization of the medium, after that making starter culture, then anaerobic fermentation, after that aerobic fermentation, and finally the recovery of cyanocobalamin. Now we'll talk about laboratory scale fermentation. In laboratory scale, we mainly use Pseudomonas denitrificans, and this is the maintenance medium and production medium. In maintenance medium, beet molasses, baker yeast, nitrosomanase, amine, amino hypophosphate, magnesium sulfate, manganese sulfate, zinc sulfate, sodium molybdate, agar, and pH is maintained to 7.4. All these concentrations are given in gram per liter. And for the production medium, beet molasses, baker's yeast, cobalt nitrate, ammonium hypophosphate, magnesium sulfate, manganese sulfate, zinc sulfate, sodium molybdate, 5,6-dimethylbenzimidazole, and pH is also maintained at 7.4. So this we are talking about laboratory scale fermentation. The media inoculated with the sealed culture is incubated for 90 hours at 290 degrees Celsius with agitation around 420 rpm and aeration. Now we will talk about pilot scale fermentation. Two types of medium is used: maintenance medium and production medium. For the maintenance medium, tryptone, yeast extract, filtered tomato juice, agar is taken, and pH of 7.2 is also maintained. For the production medium, corn steep liquor, glucose, cobalt chloride, and also the pH of 7 is maintained. All these quantities are also given. Tryptone 10 grams per liter, yeast extract 10 grams per liter, tomato juice 200 grams per liter, agar 10 grams per liter for the maintenance medium. And for the production medium, corn steep liquor 40 gram per liter, glucose 100 gram per liter, cobalt chloride 0.02 gram per liter is used. The seed culture medium, this is of different types and prepared according to the stages. In first stage medium, it is similar to maintenance medium but devoid of agar. It is incubated for 2 hours at 300 degrees Celsius without any agitation. In second stage medium, it includes corn steep liquor and in the quantity of 20 grams per liter, glucose 90 gram per liter, and pH is maintained at 6.5. Stainless steel bioreactor is used. The medium is incubated at 300 degrees Celsius for 24 hours without aeration, and the pH is adjusted to 6.5. Now, this is the procedure given in tabular form. Like we have to add medium plus cobalt salt, after that sterilization, then anaerobic fermentation for 3 days, then aerobic fermentation for 4 days, then centrifugation takes place, after that harvested broth, then cell harvest, and finally release vitamin B12 Baker's coenzyme. And this is also treated with acid and heat also. Now, the isolation of cyanocobalamin released pseudovitamin B12 Baker's coenzyme with the addition of cyanide solution gives cyanocobalamin in liquid. After that, with the help of adsorption chromatography, absorption on IRC, then cyanocobalamin in solvent. After that, the evaporation of the solvent is done, and finally we get the Cyanocobalamin crystals. Now, the uses of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, or we can say cobalamin, has a wide spectrum of benefits to human health, cell repair and maintenance. It is used for the DNA formation. It is also used to relieve fatigue. It is used to treat sickle cell disorder. It is used to reduce cholesterol levels. It is also used in the treatment of Alzheimer. It helps to cure anemia and also helps to prevent the breast cancer. Hope you understood about today's presentation. Thank you.